imagine this, right? You take 100,000 rupees, money that you were supposed to have in the bank. Instead, you invested it in the Colombo Stock Exchange. For a while, you look like a genius. Your numbers are rising, your friends notice, and they ask, what's happening? What are you buying? And then April 2019, Easter attacks. The country froze, tourism died overnight, and all of your friends kept saying one thing: sell. And you did not. And then COVID hit. The world froze, the stock market closed for 52 days. And the moment they opened it, within minutes they had to close it. And yet you did not sell. And it climbed back up past where it started. And then 2022, Sri Lanka hit the worst economic crisis.
How much money do you think Sri Lanka currently has? Less than $1.94 billion. This is as of March. And that's a little over the net worth of Kylie Jenner, the 24-year-old American model.
We defaulted on our debt for the very first time. So long petrol queues, long hours of power cut, no medicine, and people stormed the president's office, and your money dropped hard. And yet, you didn't sell. And 2025, Cyclone Ditwah, $4 billion in damage, and that's 4% of the economy. All 25 districts hit, and yet, you didn't sell. Now, watch what happened to your 100,000. Through every single disaster that it went through, it kept climbing, and this is where it is today. So your friend took the 100,000, went for the safer option, which is an FD. Plot twist: that friend was actually you. You played it safe. The good news is, the chart didn't start in 2019 and doesn't end in 2026. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, and the second best time is now. So fixed deposits. This is where you lock in your money for a fixed period of time for a fixed interest rate, and you'll get it all back at the end of it. And the number only goes up, and that's the entire appeal. So fixed deposits had a lot more appeal back in the day, with rates from 12 to 16% versus now 7 to 8%. The opportunity cost of your money sitting in the FD is far bigger today than it was before. So inflation is the rising price of goods and services, effectively reducing your buying power. So basically, you are able to buy very much less for the same price. So to increase your money's value, it actually has to grow faster than the inflation rate. So if your FD pays 9% and the prices rise faster, your real returns shrink. And the FD protects the number and it does not protect the value. So what should you do? So any money that you have that you want to spend within the next 1 or 2 years, do not put it into stocks. Rather, put it into something less volatile like the savings account. So it's beyond this buffer that the market generally makes more sense, right? So it has time to ride out the dips. So the danger here is not the market dropping, it is you selling at the bottom because you panic. So the reason majority of y'all are not investing is not because of the money. It's complicated, it's new, you don't really know where to go, what to do, what to click. So we have created a video just for you from the beginning all the way towards the end. Simply click on the link in the description box below and start investing.